Well, it's in for now. We're going to run it temporarily and try to figure out where we're at.
I mean, he's just picking up some of his
new intake manifold resealed with VRP plates and the Hughes engine performance belly pan reseal. Even though this is a 2001, it was still sucking in oil, so I pulled it out, ported the runners to gasket. I gasket matched everything, opened them up even wider, made a more direct, smooth flow for the fuel when it injects, so it doesn't hit the side of the runner. It just directs right into the air, kind of thing. Let's start it up. Put these freaking gaskets in here and now they're already leaking again on this side. I gotta pull them all out and put the copper gaskets in. Way more responsive than what it was before. Way more. Well, I finally got it dialed in to where when I put it in gear, it's sitting right at about 650, 700 RPM. And the starter's starting to hang up on me. It's been sitting. It's a brand new starter, but it's been sitting. Well, that's all she wrote, folks. It is done. Officially done. Now I'm going to run some CR505 through it and see how much it cleans out. Well, she's running pretty dang good, I have to say. The throttle's way more responsive. I think now it's time to go ahead and get some of that CR505, dump it in the engine, clean out this engine as much as I can with just a quick flush tomorrow, change the oil again, throw some good 10W30 in her, and let her work. Drive her home every once in a while, charge up the AC. Let this old girl sing. Just a good old truck, that's all. Deserves some love, and I gave it to her. Y'all be blessed. Take care. That's the update on the Dodge. Love y'all.